everybody, so the last one of the Walt Disney's poster travel collection is Florida. This one has got 750 pieces, so it was the biggest one of the bunch. And yes, I would say let's do the puzzle and then talk about it. That's Florida. So this one was a little bit tricky, I have to admit. It wasn't very suitable for a marathon. Yeah, it took a lot of time. I think more time than I would need for a 1,000-piece puzzle. And those were only 750 pieces. So that was a little bit, but it was fun nonetheless. So we've got Florida and this should be a rocket, because I think NASA is here, so this might be Orlando. I am not very familiar with Florida, I have to admit. So maybe here somewhere is Orlando, and maybe that's a key lime pie. I thought it could be. Where's Orlando? Maybe it's here. And is here a big C? So if you are familiar with Florida, tell me, what is this? And do you have flamingos in Florida? So wild living flamingos? That would be interesting to know. And are there sunglasses growing on your ground? No, I'm kidding. But I guess this is a key lime pie. So yes, I never had a key lime pie, but I'm not sure if I would like it. Okay, another one from the Walt Plain Poster series from Ceaco. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.